I am on a ridge where the deer come a lot. So look at all these deer poop places. You can tell deer apart from rabbit because they're elongated. Rabbit are round. Now this is the place to look for deer sheds, for antlers. The deer scrape them off. Look at this poor tree. This happened in the ice storm 10 years ago. All the birches broke. And these pecker holes, those are all made by the yellow-bellied sapsucker. He puts holes down like that, and then he comes back in a few days, like when it was standing, when it was alive. Comes back in a few days, and he drinks the sap, which is then fermented. Gets a little drunk. Have drunk birds flying around out there. This is a nice stick, almost worthy for being a hat rack. Very little, but it would work, or it could be a towel rack. Well, I like a towel rack better. See, everywhere you look there are scats up here. Many piles. Today is March the 6th, is it? I think it is the 6th. It's already finished being the 5th. There is some peely bark. You know, I was thinking, if you took one of those things there and you turned it upside down and you put a dowel in the teepee pole and then stuck that out, I could use those for shelves in the teepee. Big ones. There are big ones all around. Everywhere. You see them everywhere, don't you? I don't mean right here. I mean where you live. Look, some paper. In case you finished writing. I need to write something. It's a very good piece of paper. Look at how beautiful that is. You can make a booklet with this. I once ran out of paper and I used a piece of birch bark and a stick. Hey, it's almost like you could stick your thumb through. It's like a bowling ball, isn't it? A good pair of gloves. There, an arm shield. That's what the boys need for all their war games. Whoopsie. Well, let's move along. Now, when you see a piece of hemlock like that, this is a piece of hemlock branch. And when you see that on the ground beneath the hemlock, that means that the porcupines have been up there. See? More hemlock branches. They like to go up and eat the ends off of the branches of a hemlock tree. This is not a hemlock. This is the hemlock over here. But they do that. See the little bits of hemlocks here and there? Well, this is a piece of old man's beard, isn't it? This lichen stuff. The birds line their nests with this. Now Now you see where this is all all chipped off here? That's done by the pileated woodpecker. Up above there somewhere, he will have made a big hole. Oh, over there. He will consider this his tree. But they're over here. It's beneath this tree. See, that's what he did. Our stream crosses, goes in there. It's a little bit tricky here. Now see how that's more rounded? Now that would be a moose if they were twice as big. Or 3 times as big. It's nice here. I like it up here. Now foxes also like to live on hilltops. So sometimes you'll find foxholes.